listen.
Yeah.
You continue to get the edge over this Mount Pleasant, but this one is special because you did it with 10 players on the pitch. Tell us about it.
Oh, definitely. We're not really accustomed to being 10th in the tables. That's where we were. And we're not accustomed to losing 3 matches in a row. I always had a good feeling about this game. But why it is more pleasing is because I'm still understaffed. I mean, I had to pull for a schoolboy, a 17-year-old, to come on at right back. So, yeah, we fought. I mean, Mount Pleasant is a good team. We saw earlier what they were doing, trying to penetrate through the flanks. So today we just switched from a back 3 to a resting back 4. And we kind of, was able to counter them, fairly effectively.
Coach, but things basically seem a bit lost after the 1-0 down and that red card in the game. What were your thoughts from there?
No, I know that they were going to try and score more goals because that's their nature. So we just decided to play on the counter and it worked for us.
What tactical aspect of their game you pick up exactly and where to target?
No. What we decided to do was not to go in the air because Topia and next Cummins was so good in the air. We just decided to play to the feet and that's what got us the penalty to start the comeback.
And the points, what is 3 points mean for you?
Oh, brilliant, because now I think we're in 6th position. As I tell you, we're not used to being in 10th. So it brings us to 6th position is somewhere we're more accustomed to and we're feeling a little bit satisfied with this evening's work. Hard work. Mount Pleasant got stuck in and they played well too, but as I said, I had a good feeling this morning and the players work hard.
Since you have such a young squad, what does this do for confidence going forward?
Oh, and I still have more young players to come in. The players who played, young Barrett, Keanu Jackson, I still have those young players to come in. But the players know that I'll give them their chance and they just need to do what they have to do. And that is what the players are relishing now and enjoying and eager to play for the club.
The Caribbean Cup is now behind you, full focus on the Premier League, and this move from the bottom of the table to mid-table certainly will be looking to build on.
Oh, definitely. We have some gaming on, but I always says that gaming on don't mean anything. The points is necessary. So this is really a good game for us that we won because it put us in the playoff spot. That's where we want to be, and see what I'm from here.
Respect.
Thanks.